In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make pancakes for your dogs. Not this way. Simple ingredients: eggs and bananas. So what you're gonna do, get a plate, get 3 bananas, and then just smash it up like this. Just like that. Now you need 5 eggs. This is Kai. She wants to smell and she wants to have a little taste test. She wants to make sure it's good, you know. She's just helping out. And then you're just gonna whisk it up just like this. And there's Kai again. You know, she's just trying to make sure we're making everything right for her. We're gonna add some peanut butter. This is the one from Costco. It's safe for dogs, no added sugars, just peanuts, you know, it's perfect. Just whisk it up. You know, just like that. A little treat for Kai, you know, let her taste a little banana. We're gonna use coconut oil to fry it up. This is good for dogs, safe, perfect. We're gonna get this little round shape to make the perfect pancake. I don't know what they call them, but look at that. She's Louise, man. The perfect pancake right there. Jeez, look at that. Perfect. You know, you want to get like kind of like that color. Oops. So just try to get that color, and you know, it'll be perfect both sides. This is the end result. Jeez Louise, man, look at that. We're gonna add some fruit on top. We put some kiwis. We didn't have blueberries or whipping cream. Look at that. Jeez Louise. And it tastes so good. I've made it so many times before. Look at that. Kai loves it. She approves. This is the best pancakes for your dogs. If you guys try it out, please let me know you made it. Tag me, send me the link. I want to see if your dogs like it. Simple ingredients: bananas, eggs, peanut butter. Doesn't get better than that. This is Loki. He likes to come over. He's the Kai's brother. He loves to munch. Look at that. He approves of it. Such a good boy. And this is Maui. She's picky, and she loves it. So if you try this recipe and you give it to your dogs, send me the link. I want to see the video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Appreciate you. See you in the next one.